up, guys? So today is another day. So I found this guy on Craigslist. He's selling some front end parts for the Mustang. So I'm gonna go check it out right now. Probably pick up some parts for it. And after that, get the ball rolling on that Stang. Alright guys, so I just picked up the radiator support and the condenser. I don't know if you can see it. For a really good price. Way better than what I saw online. So now we're gonna go back home and mock it up probably and see how it fits.
Today we're gonna be removing the hood and the fender. Sean picked up the hood today, so we have that ready. And we have the fenders, so now it's just a matter of putting it together.
Oh man, you guys are in for a
treat. So this Mustang is not going to be repaired to the GT body style. It's going to be repaired to the GT 350 style.
Bam! I mean, look at that. Just the hood by itself, it's like going 100 miles per hour just sitting there. Not even on the car yet.
We're going to take off the hood, the fender, and we're going to check for more damages. And we are also going to try and get these things straightened out. Well, this one straightened out, this one cut out, and we'll the new piece together.
Now we're going to take the hood off. This is what I noticed. So when the crash happened, hood hinge moved this way, and you can see that by that little outline right there. Alright, so it's a 13mm deep socket. Alright, we got the hood off. I actually want to see what it looks like with the GT 350 hood on, just like mocked up. Between the GT and the GT 350. So you got the cowl hood, and then you got this right here. That looks super nice. This is alright, but that, yeah. So Miguel's mentally preparing to move the car right there, so we can start like doing the framework and everything. Hit it. Here we go. Woo! All right. It idles. Let me get the back end.
You have sonar.
Huh?
You have sonar.
Yeah, it does.
It does work.
Look, let's see if I can make it go off.
Yeah.
Is it freaking out? Okay.
Just to unbend this and to unbend this, not even cut and weld a new piece.
Right.
Unbend it.
And then bring that piece downwards, because if you look here, it moved up just a little bit. Here's our plan. Chain hoist into that and then pull it. Pretty level. When we ratchet that up, it pulls the whole car, goes forward. So we're gonna let the professionals do it. Miguel said he knows a guy, so yeah, we're waiting for his response. So in the meantime, we're just gonna mock everything up. They do need all the new parts on, so they can measure everything. So we're putting them back together. These are the Anderson composite carbon fiber GT 350 fenders. Here it is.